Good morning everyone, it is a new day and it's a very busy day. We are first going rafting and I'm absolutely terrified because this is one of the highest commercial waterfalls that you can raft down, so it's 7 meters. I'm absolutely terrified. I don't want to flip over, to be honest. And then after this we are going on a hike on a volcano, which I already forgot the name of because I'm horrible like that. So yeah, we're gonna get ready, gonna get some wetsuits, and yeah, we're going rafting and I'm absolutely terrified. So we finished up the rafting. I look like a mess. It was real fun. It was not as scary as I thought it would be, in all honesty. The high waterfall was pretty intense, but all the currents and everything was pretty okay. It was really not as scary as I thought it would be. Definitely would do it again. The team has been really awesome. So I do recommend this place. Like, they have the river itself is really pretty, and as I said, they have the highest drop. I couldn't film because I really need to get a GoPro if I'm doing stuff like this, but we do have photos which we're getting now. So yeah, really awesome, and I'm looking forward to the hike because that's gonna be very pretty. I hope the weather clears up a bit. It's quite cloudy but not hazy, so we'll see.
I'm glad I just didn't have a chocolate Dixie.
We have arrived at the beginning of the Mount Tarawera, I don't know the name, walk. It's gonna take us, this is a 2-hour walk back and 2. And I have been warned it's gonna be very steep, so yay! Point 2. This is really high up. It's pretty damn steep. We had to basically climb on all fours just now. This is really awesome. It's just such a cool thing that it's actually a volcano. It erupted about 130 years ago, and yeah, it's amazing. Everything around us is volcanic. Absolutely awesome. We've made it! It's actually not that bad hike. That's Lake Tarawera. The hike really wasn't too bad, and the view is absolutely stunning. There's some helicopters around. As they said, the rich people just take a up to the mountain instead of climbing. It's high, definitely. So we're currently on our way back to the bus. Was really awesome. Like, climbed up freaking volcano, we ran down the side. It's really awesome. The views are really awesome. It's quite windy. Don't know if you can hear me very well. And we're doing a bit of a bush walk now to get back. Really enjoyed this. Can definitely recommend this to anyone. So everyone, that was the hike up the Tarawera, I believe, Tarawera mountain. As you can see, I'm quite red. I caught a bit of sun, I just had a shower. So we are going out for dinner and drinks after that, so I am not bringing the camera. I hope you enjoyed the day with me. I definitely enjoyed it. It was the first time I went rafting. That was amazing. It was way less scary than I thought it would be, to be honest. And I now can officially say that I hiked a volcano. So, one that erupted about like 130 years ago, so it's not active anymore. But still, it was a really awesome volcanic environment. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!